और अब मैं आपके लिए अनबॉक्स करने लगी मिस्टिक कैमेलिया, which is in this very very pretty falsa pink tones. Oh, this totally goes with the season. This color is such a pretty one, and you generally don't see such a perfect tone of things. ये देखो जी. So this is the front of our shirt. इसकी embroidery आप देख सकते हो. I love how it's embroidered. The subtleness of the embroidery and the color combination is very very precious. Just check it out. और ये है इसके साथ की हमारी एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड स्लीव्स का फैब्रिक. इस पे भी थ्रू आउट फ्लोरल बंचेस का छन है. Okay, now we have this beautiful neckline that goes with the front of our shirt. Just check out the embroidery. Very nice, very pretty. And to give it a more classier vibe, we are going to applique this on. Can you see this? आपको अगर नजर आ रहा नीचे से, तो ये जब कट जाएगा तो obviously it would be a clearer one. ये आपका ऊपर आ जाएगा and then this would continue down to the neckline. ठीक है जी. So this is classically designed for you. This is the sleeves का हमारा embroidered organza. अच्छा, इसको अगर आपने काविया कराना होगा, you can easily do it. But अगर नहीं भी कराना, तो this would be perfect as it is, right? Then we have this घेरा की embroidery. ये आगे पीछे के हमारे घेरे के लिए. Can you see this? This beautiful one would go both for the front and back. And then of course, हमारी चाकों के लिए, finishings के लिए for throughout, we have this bundle of organza embroidered lace, which totally goes with it. And then we have our crochet lace for the trouser. ये आप देख सकते हो, ये भी चौड़ी वाली है आपके trouser पे, ताकि एक finished look आ जाए. My God, I love these buttons. They are so pretty. Just check these out. You are going to simply place them here. They're very, very pretty and dainty. I love the designing. And then, of course, हमारी back का dyed lawn fabric and the trouser. And the dupatta is in this very, very nice billowy chiffon. Just check it out. I love the floral print, the white base. It's giving a very classy, soft, summery look to the entire outfit. Do go for Mystic. And now we are going to unbox Secret Blossom, which is my personal favorite one. I love the color combination. I love the embroidery and how applique is incorporated with the embroidery already for you. So ye check kare. This is such a gorgeous front. पूरी इस पे throughout chicken embroidery है हमारी. And I love this pink stitch. Just check it out. Such a delicate one, crisscross. And of course, ये आप देख सकते हो, silk applique is already done on it. This looks gorgeous. और इसके साथ है जी हमारा इसका बहुत ही pretty इसके साइड के चौक के embroidered हमारे मोटिव्स हैं. ये आप इनको आराम से एप्लीक करा लोगे आगे पीछे दोनों दामन के साथ के लिए हैं. ठीक है जी. This is the embroidered organza. Oh my God, this beautiful chicken embroidered organza is for the घेरा आगे पीछे के आपके दोनों पे आ जाएगा ये. और ये है इसके साथ हमारी dyed lawn for the back of the shirt. Moving on to the next part is this beautiful one, which is for the sleeves. Just check it out. ये हमारे पास दो motifs हैं for the sleeves. This is so beautifully and elaborately embroidered with chicken embroidery in it. ठीक है जी. और इसके नीचे add on होगा ये हमारे beautifully आपका color combination में to highlight the sleeves, of course. ये आ गई हमारी sleeves. Oh my God, it doesn't need any highlighting. It's already such a pretty one. Just check out the multiple pretty dainty आपके motifs with chicken embroidery in it. This is for the sleeves और इसके ऊपर ये border. And then of course this one. Not just this, हमारा neckline has this beautiful dainty embroidery. Check it out. Very classy. और इसके साथ आपके लिए उन्होंने motifs दिए 3D. You can place them on the front of your shirt to highlight your outfit perfectly. ये है हमारी finishing के लिए embroidered lace. This is also in organza. And of course these beautiful silk के मरे हुए ball tassels हैं हमारे, which goes for the neckline. Very, very pretty. Okay, now we have crochet की multiple laces. So we have crochet की laces for the front and side slit, for the neckline, of course. So this beautiful one is going to totally enhance the outfit perfectly. And oh my God, इसके trouser की भी lace है आपके पास. So this is the trouser fabric, and of course हमारा trouser का मोटिफ आ गया. We have like this, and of course they have given you space agar aapne slit dena ho trouser. So this beautiful one goes with the trouser. And then last but not the least is this beautiful digitally printed silk dupatta. Don't you love the color combinations? Do go for Secret Blossom. और अब हम अनबॉक्स करने लगे सिल्फे, which is in this beautiful royal blue tone. And not just this, इसकी embroidery is in very pretty contrasting colors. This, I would say, would be perfect for summer evenings. At least I wear darker colors in the evenings, so just what I'm saying is according to my opinion. So beautiful applique embroidery already composed over it. आपको नहीं ये करानी. This is beautiful. Just check out the flowers. इस पे throughout हमारा chicken embroidery हुई है throughout. ठीक है ना? So this is for the घेरा. आपके आगे पीछे के घेरे के लिए है ये. On organza, of course. ये है जी हमारी फिनिशिंग्स के लिए. For the side slits, for wherever. घेरे पे आपने नीचे ऐड करना है, जहां भी करना है. You can easily add this. This is quite in abundance. And then, of course, हमारी crochet की lace है. We have crochet lace for 3D flowers. For the neckline, for the daman. Totally your call. ये है जी हमारे बहुत ही प्रिटी ऑर्गेन्जा टैसल्स हैं विद रेशम के इसके साथ टैसल्स हैं और ये हमारे ऑर्गेन्जा के पेटल्स बने हुए ऊपर फॉर द नेकलाइन ऑफ कोर्स एंड my god we have so many 3D flowers so you can place them on the daman wherever कहीं कहीं आप add on करा लो give it a very finished nice prep type look. ये है जी इसका back and of course the sleeves. Just check out the embroidered motifs all over it to give it a complete finished look. Not just this, we have this gorgeous neckline for the front. This is beautiful. ये हमारे front पे आ जाएगा. And then of course for the sleeves. Moving on, oh my god, it has a very pretty, flowy, soft silk ka digitally printed dupatta. I love the print all over it. Just check it out. This is such a beauty. ये आ गया जी आपका, and of course the trouser. Silfe is definitely a perfect. और अब हम अनबॉक्स करेंगे Fernlore, which is in this very pretty aqua sea green tones. And the color combination of embroidery with it is totally going for it, giving it a beautiful summery vibe. Just check out the beautiful embroidery on the front of the shirt. यहाँ देख सकते हो, ये है front हमारी shirt का. I love the color combinations of the embroidery. Very delicate yet very classy and subtle with it. इसके साथ जी आ गया हमारा फ्रंट का नेकलाइन. Clearly see this. ये आ गया हमारा नेकलाइन ऊपर, which is very pretty. Oh my god, I love it. Just check out. This is so pretty. And इसको complete finish look देने के लिए आपका जगह साथ ये यहाँ. ठीक है जी, ये देखिए यहाँ gaps में. And then this. So this is a beautiful neckline. Front is totally complete with this beautiful embroidery. Oh no, not yet complete. हमारे आगे पीछे के दामन के लिए embroidered organza का border. Check this out. ठीक है जी, ये आगे पीछे के दामन के लिए आ गया. And these motifs are for the front and back के chalk के finishings के लिए. Just check out. The delicate embroidery on organza is totally complementing this proper चौड़ा border of embroidered घेरा. ठीक है जी. Now we have this beautiful embroidered छान वाला पूरा आपका fabric for the back and sleeves. Check it out. ठीक है जी. और इसके साथ है हमारी ये बहुत ही pretty border organza for the sleeves. Very pretty. अच्छा जी. Last but definitely नहीं, अभी तो हमारा last से पहले है. So these are the beautiful buttons that go for the neckline. Neckline आपको मैंने दिखाई थी अभी. उसके ऊपर सोचो जब ये लगेगा तो oh my god, this is going to be so classy. So ये आपके neckline पे आ जाएगा. These are the 3D flowers which you're going to place around the घेरा and wherever to give it a more complete formal आपकी prep type outfit look. ठीक है. So we have multiple चौड़ी पतली हर किस्म की crochet laces. Amazing. This packet is definitely a precious one. This is for the neckline, for your sleeves की दो laces हैं crochet की, for the front and back, for the trouser. Of course, beautiful, lovely. Enjoy it totally. उसके बाद है जी हमारा trouser का. Trouser की मैंने आपको crochet lace का तो पता ही दिया है. बट बिफोर देन आपका ये एप्लीक होगा और उसके साथ आपकी करोशिया लेस आ जाएगी फॉर द फिनिशिंग्स. ठीक है जी. And we have this beautiful chiffon ka dupatta, which is so soft and breezy, and the print is perfect. Just check out. It looks like a garden painting. Love it. The flora and fauna is definitely a heartthrob. Go for. So now I am going to unwrap Hidden Dahlia, which is in this deep lavender tones. ये मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. This has beautiful front, which is all embroidered. Just check it out. ये है जी हमारा. Check out the embroidery over it. ये हमारा front आ गया इसका. I love the color combination, the floral gardenia feel that is going with the entire outfit. और ये है इसका बहुत ही pretty neckline, which is totally going to go with the front of the shirt. Just check out the beautiful embroidery on it. Okay, so now we have these 3D flowers. Oh my God, these pretty flowers are going to be placed on the ghera in multiple places. As you look at the inlay card picture, you would know exactly where to put. And of course, totally your call if you want to put it somewhere else. ये आ गया जी हमारे organza के floral with resham tassels, which will go on the ghera finishings. And if you want to put it on the neckline as well, you can do that. Totally your call. ये आ गया जी हमारा इसके आगे पीछे के दामन की हमारी embroidered organza lace. This is so pretty and dainty. I love the beautiful delicate designing of the embroidery. और ये है हमारी organza का bundle of lace for the finishings of the chalk and everywhere, front and back chalk, या wherever, you know, totally up to you. And ये आ गई हमारी embroidered organza for the sleeves. Sleeves और back के लिए बहुत ही beautiful embroidered हमारा छन है throughout. Just check it out. For the front and back, trouser, and it goes with the beautiful silk ka dupatta. Just check out the color combination. Beautiful. I love the larger than life lily flowers in these deep lavender tones. Looks like totally like a watercolor painting. Enjoy wearing Hidden. और अब हम अनबॉक्स करेंगे Verdant Bloom. Beautiful one. अच्छा, now before I move on, I need to tell you guys कि पिक्चर में शायद आपको इसकी blues की tones feel हो रही हो, but this is actually a very beautiful shade of green. I love this color. I love the embroidery and the color combination. Oh my God, the purples and green are always a win-win one. है ना? तो ये है हमारा front of the shirt. You need to check out the beautiful embroidery over it. All over इस पे embroidery है हमारी. Throughout the length of the front. The color combination, everything is very pretty. और इसके लिए, okay, so this is the neckline. It's right on cue. तो ये आपका यहाँ applique हो जाएगा ऊपर, right? Very beautiful neckline on organza. This is totally sorted for you. ये है जी इसका बहुत ही pretty. हमारे आ गए जी इसके घेरे के चौड़े वाले on organza. आगे पीछे के लिए आपके दोनों दामन के लिए. And then these are आपके sides पे उसके raises के लिए just like this. ये आपके साइड स्लिट्स पे पूरा इस तरह आ जाएगा, राइट? तो उन्होंने आपको सारा दिया हुआ है. इजी टू जस्ट गेट इट एप्लीक्ड ऑन. उसके बाद है जी ये हमारा बैक एंड स्लीव्स. इसका छन इज ब्यूटिफुल. ये आप देख सकते हो छोटे छोटे फ्लोरल छन है. ओ दीज बटरफ्लाई, सो ब्यूटिफुल वन ऑन द होल. और ये है जी इसकी स्लीव्स का. इट्स लवली. इस पे पूरी ये चिकन एम्ब्रॉयडरी है with resham ke flowers along with it. Okay, so what is this? ये आपके गले पे साथ के लिए है, ठीक है? सो जो हमने ये गला लगाया था इसके साथ ये आएगा और इसके ऊपर ये आएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज द कंप्लीट लुक ऑफ इट. सो ये ऑफ कोर्स हमारा ऑर्गेन्जा कट आउट जब हो जाएगा तो दिस विल गिव अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल कंप्लीट कंपोज नेकलाइन लुक. बहुत ही प्रिटी लग रहा है ये. Okay, so this is the beautiful chiffon ka digitally printed dupatta on chiffon. I love it. Just check out the larger than life leaves and of course the pretty flowers. Everything is gorgeous in this one. ये हैं जी हमारे buttons for the neckline with the tassels. They are so cute. And not just this, they have this crochet ki lace. Crochet ki lace goes for the trouser and your sleeves. So you are going to love wearing Verdant Bloom.